Okay. Now we will go to exercise 7.4, question number 2. What is the question number 2?
Integration of 1 by
Integration of 1 by
root 1 plus 4x square.
dx.
Yeah.
Okay, how to do it?
We
Now,
are facing up.
now see,
There is 4.
denominator is having root is there.
Yeah.
Then there are so many formulas. I will see. Tell it. One is 1 by root of x squared minus a squared. Another is 1 by root of a squared minus x squared. Another is 1 by root of a squared plus x squared. Or simple formulas 1 by root of 1 minus x squared, 1 by root of x into x squared minus 1. There are 5 formulas in integration for grade 12 when it is denominator root is there. Okay. Now look at which formula will suit it here.
Integration of 1 by a square plus x square root.
Root of a square plus x square.
Yeah.
Okay, for your knowledge purpose, I will ask Robo, what is this integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x squared? Quick.
Sine inverse x.
Amazing. What is this one? Quick.
Cosec inverse x.
Sec inverse x.
Sec inverse x.
What is this one? 1 by root of this one. You will get. Students, you also practice. Tell in your mind. Log x plus
Log x plus
square root of x squared minus a
square
squared.
root of x squared minus a squared plus c.
Okay. This one,
Log.
no log.
Okay,
If it is a squared minus x squared means,
Then it is sine.
why? Because sine inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus
Yeah.
x squared.
Yeah.
So it is sine inverse. Your throat is little affected.
No, sir, it's okay.
It is good.
It's good.
Okay. It is sine inverse x by a.
X by a.
We have to put 1 by a before.
No.
Where we have to put?
In the tan.
Sine there is no.
Sine there is no.
Very nice of you. Good memory. Okay. Okay. This one.
Log x.
Same like this one.
Just the change in the denominator.
Not change the denominator. What is there? There you put it.
Yeah,
That's
that's what I said.
okay. That is you are supposed to say. Okay. Okay. Now let us go to this question. But now problem is you concluded this is but the problem is this it is 4x squared.
Yeah.
4x squared what will happen?
The x square will become
The square only for x, not for 4. So what you have to do it, integration of 1 by square root of 1 plus 2x whole square dx. Understand?
Yeah.
Now this square is for 2x. Hope you got it.
Yes.
Now, what is the formula? You can do, now let u equal to 2x. du by dx, 2. du equal to 2 dx. du by 2 equal to dx.
So we have to take 1 by 2 outside.
1 by 2 outside.
Yeah.
So integration of 1 by 2,
Yes.
what it is?
Integration of 1 by 2 will be equal to 1 by
du
du
root of 1 plus,
root of 1 plus 2x squared.
no, u square.
U square, okay.
Root of 1 plus u squared. Okay?
Yes.
Got it, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the formula now.
Integration of 1
Are you copying down?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Integration of, tell me. 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
You just now told me.
We have to use that formula.
Which formula?
Log
Mm.
log x plus
X plus. Here what is x? U.
x is u.
Here what is a? A is 1 only.
A square root of a square plus x square. You have to substitute.
We can stop.
No, sir. We have to continue.
What to do?
We have to multiply the log with u, and then we have to multiply the log with 1 plus u square the whole.
That is not essential. If you wish, you may do. First is you have to put plus c, number 1. Number 2 is 1 by 2 log 2x, u equal to 2x plus 1 plus 4x squared plus c. If you want, you take log. Here it is whole root 2. If you wish, you may do it, or otherwise you leave it.
Yeah.
Students, please copy down. Copy it. Good. Same format you use it. Good.